Hi there. I'm excited to introduce you to T&D Specialties, your trusted partner for precision CNC machining right here in Massachusetts. For over 50 years, T&D Specialties has been the small parts specialist, delivering high-quality milled, turned, and Swiss-machined components for industries where precision and reliability matter most, from aerospace and medical to electronics and commercial manufacturing. Our facility currently operates 7 high-speed rotary pallet milling machines, 3 high-speed vertical mills, 3 multi-axis turn mill lathes, and 2 Swiss-type turning centers. Our full inspection department is equipped with the latest Keyence camera and probe systems for precision quality control. We specialize in complex geometries, small precision components, and a wide range of materials. From stainless steels and aluminum to plastics, tool steels, and high-temperature alloys, all backed by rigorous inspection and full documentation. At T&D Specialties, we combine modern equipment with a skilled, experienced team to deliver tight-tolerance parts, on time, every time. As an ISO 9001 certified company, quality isn't just a goal, it's our standard. T&D Specialties provides flexible Kanban programs designed for just-in-time delivery. Our system helps customers maintain lean inventory levels, reduce delivery times, and ensure a steady flow of parts directly to their production line when needed. Whether you need prototypes, production runs, or long-term inventory support, our goal is simple: to make your job easier and your products better. Let's build something great together. Visit tdspecialties.net to learn more or send us your next print today.